Okay, guys, so basically I just relaxing, just looking at what's going on right now with the hurricane and everything in Jamaica at the moment. But while I get to understand that there is so much aid are going to Jamaica, it's unbelievable, guys. So I just want to keep you guys update on what's going on. But um looking at everything, I think what's gonna happen right now, Jamaica gonna be on top of the list more than anything else right now because the amount of aid we are going to Jamaica. I was seeing on the news there some people are sending down so many things from the US, from German, from Canada, from England. It's unbelievable. So I'm so happy. You know what I mean, that Jamaica gonna be getting so much aid, man. But big up on yourself for the guys. Good things come to those who wait. All right. Just taking the time to say, you know what, guys. Yeah, it's a good look. It's a good look. We don't want to touch anything else. We just want to say thank God for the blessing when pour out upon all of these people who are effective in that disaster in Jamaica. A good vibes. Bless upon yourself, and I will keep you guys update as we keep going on from day to day. A good vibes. Bye bye.